Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to be released as the former president of Nigeria, where they call Olusegun Obasanjo, don't go visit the president of Ohanaeze, Igbo. No be small thing, no. They say that Igbos become the richest tribe in Africa, in Nigeria. No be small thing, things are really happening. As the people waiting for Alaba International Market should check this update very well. I hear say they don't talk say they go still come bring some part for Alaba International Market down make una go verify for this information where they bring come. At least you no go lose everything. Some things wey dey inside your shop, if you carry am comot. My people, let's go and find out how this thing take dey happen. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We see they had a bring update back to back as it is hot. Remember say for this channel, what will they give you a legit update? We know they here to bring fake update to give everybody. So may you try to share this update as it is hot. Share them, share them, share them, share. We need more shares in our videos. Share is the only thing you can do for us. Yeah, my people, let's go and look into the matter where we get for our hand today. They say that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu set to be released as the former president of Nigeria, which is Olusegun Obasanjo, go visit visited the president of Ohanaeze, Igbo. In discourse of the top agenda is how they will release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Is they talk about the release of the 10 leader of indigenous people of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, that the insecurity in Southeast is growing every day. They believe that the only thing that can stop this insecurity in Southeast could be Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. That when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is released, it's going to bring in order to so many things that are happening. No be small thing, as that one they happen, they still talk say that the Simon Ekpa set a date for the declaration of independence of Biafra. No be small thing. Things go they happen for front, as you know from today. My people, let's quickly jump into this particular matter. You know, say for this Christmas, we be say they shout Igbos, go, Igbos, go. They don't get anything for their village. Now Igbos come outside though, come bring us mansions, come they show, say this na my village, and this na wetin I get for my village. Now the talk can't change again, say wetin happen, how Igbo people tell they do this thing. Would they talk that one? No, we will play this video, may you see that Igbos are now becoming, not they are becoming, Igbos are now the richest tribe in Africa and in Nigeria as well. We are going to play this video for you to watch, and before we come back, come proceed.
Enter the Igbo tribe, renowned as the wealthiest tribe on the continent. This isn't by mere chance or fortune, but rather a testament to their relentless hustle spirit and entrepreneurial prowess. Their wealth is not just in their bank accounts, but also in their vibrant culture, which they proudly showcase during festive seasons. The internet is often abuzz with images of their village mansions during the Christmas and New Year festivals, a clear display of their prosperity. So buckle up as we delve into the fascinating world of the Igbo tribe, the richest tribe in Africa. First off, who exactly are the Igbo? A question that leads us into a vibrant tapestry of culture, history and tradition. The Igbo are an ethnic group native to Nigeria, specifically in the southeastern region of the country. This area, marked by its lush tropical rainforests and the majestic river Niger, serves as a beautiful backdrop for the Igbo people and their rich culture. The Igbo speak, you guessed it, the Igbo language, a part of the larger Niger-Congo language family. It's a tonal language with a unique pitch accent system that can change the meaning of a word based on how it's pronounced. Talk about a linguistic twist. The Igbo culture is as diverse as the people themselves, with a plethora of customs, traditions and practices that are distinctively theirs. From the colourful masquerades that come alive during festivals to the traditional Igbo, a grand bridal ceremony, the Igbo culture is vibrant and full of life. Now, let's take a quick dive into history. The Igbo have a long and storied past that dates back centuries. They're known for their democratic and republican structures, which contrasted heavily with the monarchies of other African tribes. This unique structure has shaped the Igbo into a group of people known for their entrepreneurial spirit, a trait that's still evident today. In the late 19th and early 20th centuries, the Igbo saw significant changes as British colonial rule took hold. The traditional Igbo society and its customs were greatly impacted, leading to a blending of cultures that resulted in a unique mix of the old and the new. Over the years, the Igbo have continued to evolve, adapting to modern times while still holding on to their rich heritage. This has resulted in a dynamic and resilient people who have made their mark, not just in Nigeria, but across the globe. Now that we have a basic understanding of who the Igbo are, let's uncover the secrets behind their immense wealth. The wealth of the Igbo tribe is in fact no mystery. It's a fascinating combination of natural resources, entrepreneurship, and the fruits of education and skill acquisition. Let's start with the most tangible source, natural resources. The Igbo land is richly blessed with oil, a highly sought-after commodity in the global market. This oil wealth has played a significant role in the financial prosperity of many Igbo families, but the Igbo wealth isn't just about what's beneath the ground, it's also about what's within the people. Entrepreneurship runs in the blood of the Igbo tribe. From small-scale traders to owners of large corporations, the spirit of enterprise is a common thread that weaves through the fabric of this tribe. It's this entrepreneurial spirit that has built and continues to build wealth for the tribe. Overseas remittances also make a sizable contribution to the Igbo wealth. However, it's not just about the sources of wealth, it's about the people behind the wealth. The Igbo are known for their drive, their spirit, their hustle. They have a unique resolve to succeed, a determination to turn every stone, a readiness to seize every opportunity. This drive, this spirit, this hustle is what truly sets the Igbo apart. But it's not just about the money. The Igbo have a unique drive and spirit that sets them apart. The Igbo hustle spirit is legendary. Let's dive into this remarkable energy that fuels the Igbo tribe. This is a tribe that understands the value of hard work, resilience and perseverance. The Igbo people are known for their relentless pursuit of success, a trait that has been passed down from generation to generation. The Igbo people believe in the power of effort, and they invest heavily in education and skills acquisition. The Igbo tribe is a shining example of what can be achieved through hard work and resilience. Their success stories are a testament to the power of the hustle spirit and the incredible achievements that can be realized when this spirit is harnessed and nurtured. But there's more to this tribe than just their wealth and work ethic. Every Christmas and New Year, the internet is awash with images of Igbo village mansions. As the festive season rolls in, the Igbo people, known for their entrepreneurial spirit and wealth, have a unique tradition of returning to their ancestral homes. It's an annual event that sees the Igbo diaspora from all corners of the globe return to their villages, often with grand gestures of their success. These gestures are not just a mere show of wealth, but a testament to their hard work and diligence throughout the year. They are a celebration of the Igbo spirit, a spirit that is relentless, industrious, and unyielding in the face of challenges. The village mansions, grandiose structures that cut an impressive figure against the rural landscape, are a visual representation of this spirit. They are more than just buildings. They are symbols of success and perseverance, each brick a testament to the Igbo's entrepreneurial spirit. And what better time to celebrate this spirit than during the festive season? Christmas and New Year provide the perfect backdrop for these celebrations. The air is filled with joy, laughter, and a sense of communal pride as people come together to celebrate their shared heritage and success. The festivities are not just limited to the village mansions, though. The streets are filled with vibrant colours, music and dancing, and the air is thick with the delicious aroma of traditional Igbo dishes. It's a time of reunion, a time of joy, and a time of celebration. But it's not all about the glitz and glamour. These celebrations are also a time for the Igbo people to give back to their communities. They invest in local projects, sponsor community events, and help uplift those less fortunate, a testament to their belief in community and shared prosperity. So, when the festive season rolls around and the internet is filled with images of Igbo village mansions, remember the story behind them, a story of hard work, perseverance and a relentless entrepreneurial spirit. So there you have it, the Igbo tribe, a perfect blend of wealth, hustle spirit and a love for grand celebrations. The story of the Igbo tribe is certainly one of intrigue and inspiration. We've journeyed through the tale of this affluent African tribe, exploring their wealth, their indomitable hustle spirit, and their grand festive celebrations. The Igbo tribe, renowned as the richest in Africa, is a testament to the power of hard work and entrepreneurial spirit. Their wealth is not merely a product of luck or chance, but of relentless effort and strategic acumen. This hustle spirit, deeply ingrained in their culture, is a driving force behind the tribe's prosperity. It propels them to strive for success against all odds. And when Christmas and New Year roll around, the world is treated to a dazzling display of this wealth and success. The Igbo tribe truly stands as a shining example of what can be achieved through hard work, resilience, and a relentless pursuit of success.
Yeah, my wonderful people. No be smart, see, don't watch that video. All these videos where you see, no be Photoshop. Now, waiting happen for Igbo land. They see mansions where you see the cars, the movement, everything. All these things happen for Igbo land, and they still they go on as we they talk. Because you get how person go call your house, come they eat. One day you go tell and say, oh guy, you don't eat too much. Oh, you go house, go cook better soup for himself. Now, waiting really happen for this thing, no be magic. Because that mansion where they want be for your place, where they tell them say no, go, Lagos is for us, so this. Now they make, cause some of them carry the money way wise for inside, go for Alibo, go build mansion, and nah. Some of them don't still come outside, say they go pay tax, put for those mansions where they build. We talking for the previous video where we don't post. My brother, my sister, this can't thing good, no be juju be that. Igbos, no na get this hand, but na carry go. I beg my people, share this video and make sure say you follow this page for more updates as it dey hot. Our prayer is Nnamdi to be released so that we go know who be who and we go know where we stand. Because a lot of things don't happen. A lot of people today no get faith for wetin we dey pursue again. A lot of faith today they look like ikwikwi because things are really happening. So they believe say Nnamdi fit talk, they go understand wetin dey go on. But however, the Nigeria government think say holding Nnamdi is going to stop anything. But however, Biafra must come, and the Southeast, the Igbo, the Biafras will get their freedom. My people, share this video and make sure say they follow this page for more updates as it dey hot.